A city is full of movement, cars, footsteps, traffic, people. But what if you could actually hear every cut? This is not just a city edit, it's a story told through rhythm, motion, and sound. A transition becomes more powerful when motion, music, and sound work together. First, here's a simple cut. It works, but the scene change feels quite sudden. Now let's add a sound-enabled transition. I'll place the linear wipe left between these two clips. The key is matching the transition with the direction of movement. The car moves to the left, so the transition follows that motion. Next, I place the transition directly on the music beat. Now let's add another transition with sound. I'll place a flash zoom in between these two clips. The sound cue gives the cut an audible point, so viewers can actually feel the scene change. The visual change is small, but the sound makes the transition feel much more intentional.